Our math project group was Marla McCormick, Mackenzie Gendron, Miranda Reitness, and Caitlin Newman. The game we did was the triangle peg game, and there are 15 holes and 14 pegs. What you do to play the game is you jump one peg over the other and remove the peg you jumped. The object of the game is to get one peg left. And once you master the strategy to win, you try and play with the fewest amount of jumps. This game is famously played at the Cracker Barrel, and every table has one of these about, and whenever you go there to eat dinner or something, you can play it, and it's fun. It has been said to be invented by a French aristocrat, and there are other versions of the game with more holes and less holes. And Mackenzie Gendron is going to show you some logic for the game.
Okay. Logic for the game is that you need to be able to pick up on specific strategies, and you need to be able to make good observations as to whether this move is going to be the deciding factor of how you either win the game or if you lose it, because each move makes a big difference. This game can be, the strategy can be related to life, because if you are in a situation and you do not pick up on specific little details, then it could change the whole situation. And Miranda is going to show you how to play a game.
So she moved just now from 4 to 1, then 6 to 4, 1 to 6, then 7 to 2, then 13 to 4, 10 to 8, 2 to 7, 7 to 9, 15 to 13, 12 to 14, 6 to 13, 14 to 12, and 11 then to 13, and now she is left with one peg.
Okay, and also helpful strategies for this game that gives you more chances of winning is if you begin with all the pegs in the board, except for you don't want to start with a peg in this hole right here, because by doing so, this increases your chances of winning the game, because there are 85,258 different ways just by starting without that one that you can win, whereas others there's not as many. And this is a table showing that. And now Caitlin is going to show you a game with bad strategy. Notice how she moves randomly and does not follow the instructions. No, you can't do that.
You can't remove two.
What are you doing? Cheater.
And this is why we chose this triangle, because we thought it had a lot of strategy, even though it's one player. And the number, we said the numbers because it starts off as 1, then 2 to 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's just like a bowling pins are set up at a bowling alley. And they said the best way to go is to start from the top peg or from one of these sides.
And also, like the way Miranda showed you to win, there is more than just that type of strategy.
Hi. For our math project, we did the triangle peg game. Marla McCormick, Kenzie Gendron, Miranda Reines, and Caitlin Newman. Alright. To play this game, you jump one peg over the other, like this, and you take the peg that you jumped out, kind of like checkers. And there are 15 holes and 14 pegs, and the object is to get one peg left, and once you solve it, you try and get the fewest moves possible. This game is famously known for being played at the Cracker Barrel. If you ever go there, there will be basically a game at every single table. And this game has been said to be invented by a French aristocrat. Our math project is Marla McCormick. In our math project, our group was Marla McCormick, Mackenzie Gendron, Miranda Reines, and Caitlin Newman. We did the triangle peg game. There are 15 holes and 14 pegs. What you do is you jump one peg over the other and take the one in the middle out that you jumped. Always remember to take the one you jumped out. The object of the game is to get one peg left by jumping all of them. Once you master the game, you try and win with the fewest moves possible. This game is famously played and known at the Cracker Barrel. It is at almost every table. If you ever go and eat there with your family, it'll be there. It has been said to be invented by a French aristocrat, and there are other versions of the game with more holes and less holes. I think the top one has 55. And Mackenzie Gendron is going to show you some logic for the game.
Okay. For the triangular peg game, the logic behind it is that you need to be able to pick up on specific strategies. You also